Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian, and I am out here today at a match that we have periodically out at the Pima Pistol Club in Tucson that is the backup gun match. And I'm out here with a Star model of 1914. This is one of the sort of emergency acquisition French military pistols from World War I, purchased from Star in Eibar, Spain. Most of the guns like this that were purchased were rubies. The Star was bought in substantially lower quantities than the Ruby, but it's actually a pretty darn nice gun. It's simple blowback. It's in 32 ACP, has a nice magazine release button. I have a 9-round magazine, although as you'll see, it's not entirely reliable unless I download it to 8. It's a 100-year-old Spanish magazine. Cut it some slack. The gun itself, while simple blowback, is kind of based on the Mannlicher 1905, and I think these are one of the coolest of the French World War I military pistols. So the match out here is a really good venue for doing a little bit of sort of practical shooting without needing a bunch of magazines. So we have 4 stages today that are all 1 magazine each, which is good because I only have the 1 magazine for the gun. So let's go through and see how this handles.
Ready?
Yep.
Shooters ready. Stand by. Are you done?
Yep.
If you're done, unload. Shooters ready. Stand by. Nicely done. 8 seconds, 21 points. Clear. Slide, hammer, holster. Loadez-vous.
J'ai un pistolet espagnol.
Are you ready?
Oui.
Shooter is ready.
Je suis prêt.
Stand by. If you're done,
Je suis complet.
unload. Show clear. Clear. Slide. Hammer.
Hammer's already. All right, so overall impressions, actually really pretty nice. This has completely non-adjustable sights, and I am very happy to find that they're basically on target. I really, as long as I did put the proper effort into focusing on the sights, giving a good trigger press, I had no problem making hits. It was only when I started to go a little too fast and lose focus that I had trouble hitting things. It is 32 ACP. The recoil in this is trivial. Makes it a really nice gun to shoot. So this is the sort of thing that would have been carried by officers, tank crewmen, show shot gunners would carry either these or Ruby automatic pistols. And it's, it's not a bad backup pistol. Very pleasant to shoot because it has this sort of open top slide, which is nicely above the beaver tail of the grip here. I had no issues at all with hammer bite. The 32 caliber recoil doesn't cause any problems there. So overall, nice. Like, I was not expecting a whole lot out of this. You certainly don't hear very good things about Spanish production World War I pistols, but the Star is a better gun than the Rubies, and frankly, even the Rubies are not as bad as people often say. So, fun chance to do some sort of practical shooting with Star 1914. Thanks for watching.